Evan.
I'm Holden.
And today we're going to be showing you our game. It's pretty similar to like the Chrome dinosaur game, that if you've ever played that when you have no internet. As you can see, Holden is about to press a button on the Raspberry Pi, which will make our character jump in the game. It's a lot smoother on the computer, but right now it's pretty laggy. And then now we're just going to let the character run into the next box. And when that happens,
So we need to add LED.
our light is going to start blinking because the game is over.
Because I forgot to add
So
here,
that's pretty interesting. Now let's talk a little bit through about what some of our code does. Basically,
This is the Raspberry Pi code. You import all the things I need for the button and the LED, and then when the button is pressed, it, in Evan's code, makes the character jump, and then this LED function just blinks the LED when the character dies in Evan's code.
Alright, so I guess I'll talk about a little bit of my code right now. One of the coolest things I was able to do was to make the game be essentially infinite. Right now there's a limit, but you change that number in the for loop. You can make the game as long as you want. These numbers inside here create a list, and then that list then goes to right here. So each of these numbers corresponds to something in the game. So for example, -1 is an empty space, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And that's it for now.
Actually,
anything else?
kidding.
Anything else?
Let's go to the part where we combine these beautiful codes. So here in the update function, which fires every time the screen changes, which isn't that often on this computer. Where's my thing?
Keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah, this is when the game
Here's the
ends.
LED. So here, if the game ends, you print game over on the screen, and then the LED function starts flashing the LED from my file. And where's the jump one? Is it
Right here, the jump. Well, you.
right here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here it is. Here's the jump function. When jump is pressed, it jumps.
we're putting it together.
Yay!
All right. So final thing to show you is just the game on our regular computer, because you'll be able to see
So at least the random is
a lot better what it looks like. Should we go in here?
Say we try it.
On your computer, you should
And I'm gonna run the code on my computer just so you guys can get a better idea of what the game actually is going to look like. As you can see, you run in. I press the up arrow on the keyboard. Let's play that one more time. I'm bad at my own game. So I'm just gonna press the up arrow, jump over these boxes, and as you can see, the generation of the boxes is pretty random. So yeah, that's all we have. Bye.
Bye.